Muy bien, señores, nuevamente aquí. Hoy día salió solcito. Sun is up today, President Day, so I'm doing a barbecue for me, but lots of sausages. I got some ribs. I'm gonna show you the grill, okay? This is what I put there. I'm gonna show you. Look at that. So, sweet peppers, that's eggplant with some garlic and some seasoning that I did. These are my sausages. I'm just using this part, not this part, because I don't want to wash it, okay? So look at that. Awesome. Look at that juice. Look at that juice. Look at that juice. Awesome, isn't it? Look at that juice. Look at that juice. Look at that juice. Oh my gosh. Alright, so we good. We are good. I'm gonna bring the things just to keep it. I'm gonna put a little bit low the fire right there. Looks like it's gonna rain today. Not good. Anyways, choricito, eggplant, o sea, berenjena y pimientos dulces. Le he bajado el fuego, okay? So keep on going. These sweet peppers are already good. The eggplant is good. I still need some for other sausages. So we're gonna take out the eggplant and the sweet peppers. Alright, looks good. Looks awesome. Gonna put it here. This eggplant right here. We go here. There we go. Right, okay. Oopsie. Right there. All these, and all these. There we go. Look at those awesome sausages right there. I'm putting just on the back a little bit. Look at those sausages, awesome sausages. Put it on the back because it's turned for the ribs. Where are the ribs? Hold on a second, I'm gonna bring the ribs. Here we have the ribs already marinated. So I'm just gonna put it from here to there. Look at this awesome rib. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that down there. Look at that awesome thing. Gonna take this out. Once again, it's me, Chef COQUI. Look at that. Look at that. Tell me, isn't that awesome? Tell me, isn't that awesome? Alright, but we're gonna do also have some sideburn here. We're gonna do some salty mushrooms, a little bit of garlic, butter, and cilantro just to go with the ribs and the sausages, okay? So let's see how it goes. I'm gonna turn on this thing. There we go. It is on. This reminds me my gas stoves in Lima, Peru. Look at that. Look at that awesome flame. Ooh. So this is coconut oil, okay? Coconut oil. Healthiest oil you can find, okay? What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cook this. Put it there. And then I'm just gonna throw in the mushrooms right here. I guess it's time to throw it in. All of it to the wok. There we go. Oops, got some here. And there are the sausages, the ribs, and here are the mushrooms. And I'm just gonna wait until they fry a little bit and I'll come back with you guys, okay? There we go. And here are the ribs. Sausages are already done. I'm gonna take them out in a minute. This is still cooking. I'm just gonna wait until all the water just evaporated. But I gotta take the sausage out now. So, chorizo pa afuera. Pa ahí. Pa ahí. Para allí. Para allí. Y para allí. Muy bien. Ahí va, ahí va, ahí va. Qué rico. Sigue, sigue, sigue cocinando. Qué rico eso. Cerramos. Ok. Bueno, se evaporó el agua. Es momento de echar butter. Gonna put some butter on it. Good chunk of butter. There you go. Butter. Let's put some garlic on it as well. Garlic. Alright, garlic there. Good chunk of garlic. I put some bacon. Smoked bacon. Some smoke flavor as well. There you go. And at the end we're gonna put some cilantro. How is this? Let's see. Vamos a ver, vamos a ver, vamos a ver. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. Awesome, isn't that awesome? Look at that. Ooh, beautiful. Leave it alone. I close it. And go here. All the butter. Mixing the flavors. Los saborcitos de la mantequilla, los champiñones y el ajo, delicioso, simplemente delicioso. Y esas pequeñas piececitas de tocinito. A ver cómo va a quedar eso, delicioso. Delicioso, delicioso. ¿Cuánto estamos acá? A ver. 3.50, ¿está bien? Voy a hacer, I'm gonna do a little pause. Here it is. Pause, okay? Pause, pause, pause. Just gonna put this on its place. I'll come back with this, but it's just gonna be a pause, okay? Alright, so look at this rib. Oh my gosh, look at this rib. Oh my gosh, look at that rib. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Well, here's the mushroom, COQUI mushroom. And this is about to be done. Just gonna add this cilantro, the whole stuff over there. There you go. A little bit of green, un poquito de verde. No le hace daño. Entonces tiene ajo, aceite de coco, mantequilla y cilantro. En el Perú le decimos culantro. So it has coconut oil, butter, of course mushrooms, garlic, and cilantro. And this is good to go. I'm just gonna turn off this thing. This will still need to do some stuff here, so let's leave it cooking for a minute. There we go. Another pause. And after all, we got everything okay, and this is what we got. Great ribs. There you go. Look at that. Awesome. Awesome ribs. See you later, Chef COQUI.